Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sliding reel on Instagram. First, open your Instagram application and locate the plus icon at the top right or bottom center of your screen. Tap this icon to begin creating new content. From the options presented, select Reel. Next, you will choose the photos or videos you wish to include from your device's gallery. You can select up to 10 media items for a single sliding reel. Once you have selected your desired media, tap Next to move to the editing interface. Here, you can easily arrange the order of your photos and videos by simply dragging and dropping them into place. This allows you to tell your story exactly as you envision it. You can also adjust the duration of each individual clip, typically from 1 second up to 15 seconds, to control the overall pacing and flow of your sliding reel. To make your reel more engaging, tap the music icon to browse and add audio. You can select from trending sounds or explore Instagram's extensive music library to find the perfect track. Next, utilize the text tool to add overlays, captions, or even interactive questions. Instagram offers a wide array of fonts, colors, and animation styles, allowing you to customize your text for maximum visual impact and to convey your message clearly. Before sharing, always preview your reel to ensure all transitions are smooth and the timing is just right. Once satisfied, tap Next to add a compelling caption that describes your content. Remember to include relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Finally, select an eye-catching cover photo that accurately represents your reel. With these steps complete, you are ready to share your fantastic new sliding reel with your audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.